Welcome, my beautiful people, to Dodo the Natural Hair Gallery. How you guys doing today? One more time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today we're going to look at how to build a healthy scalp routine. How to build a healthy scalp routine, step by step, one after the other. A healthy scalp is the foundation of healthy hair. Healthy scalp is the foundation of healthy hair. In this video, we'll break down a simple, effective scalp care routine you can follow weekly to reduce dandruff, control buildup, and support hair growth. If you've been dealing with itching, flakes, or slow growth, this routine will help restore balance and improve overall scalp health. It helps break down a simple, effective scalp care routine that you can follow. Normal stuff that you can follow weekly to help you reduce that dandruff, overgrowth, control buildup, and support a natural hair growth. Okay. Now, if your scalp is unhealthy, your hair will struggle to grow. That one na sure banker. If your scalp is unhealthy, your hair will struggle to grow. So before focusing on length, you need to fix the foundation. It's like you are going to plant a seed and work on the soil. How do you expect the seed to do well? How do you expect the seed to thrive when the soil is not properly taken care of? The seed not go do well. So the foundation is to first take care of the soil. So, and that's what your scalp act like, or act as. It acts as the soil. Is more like the soil that your hair grows on. Okay, your scalp now your soil, and your hair now the seed planted. Okay, so before focusing on length, you need to fix the foundation. In this video, we'll walk through a simple scalp routine you can follow every week to restore balance and support healthy hair. We'll take it one after the other, step by step. Step 1, prepare your scalp. Very important. Prepare your scalp. And how do you do that? Start by preparing your scalp. Apply a light oil or treatment. Whether you be for first time, you need something light. You need something, you don't want something heavier. So whatever it is that something light. Okay, apply a light oil treatment, treatment, and gently massage your scalp for a few minutes. A light oil treatment on your scalp and gently massage your scalp for a few minutes. This helps loosen buildup and improve blood circulation. Just a gentle massage with light oil, like argan oil, which is very good. Just gentle massage. In step 2, cleanse properly. Cleanse your scalp. Use a gentle shampoo and focus on the scalp, not just the hair. You focus on the scalp, not just the hair. This removes dirt, oil, and product buildup without stripping your hair completely. Step 3, condition and hydrate. After cleansing, restore moisture. More like you're using a deep conditioner. You're applying it to your soft hair and then you're massaging, cleaning. Apply conditioner to your hair and ensure your scalp is not left completely dry. Okay, balance is key, don't forget. Step 4, treat the scalp if needed. Applying targeted treatments, soothing the scalp is very essential. If you're dealing with dandruff or irritation, this is the stage to apply targeted treatments. Focus on calming the scalp and restoring its natural balance. Step 5, moisturize and seal. Moisturize and seal. After washing, apply light moisturizer and seal it with oil if necessary. Apply light moisturizer and seal it with oil if necessary. Avoid heavy buildup. Your scalp should feel nourished, not clogged. Should feel nourished, not clogged. Step 6. Maintain through the week. That's another very important stuff. So a light maintenance and simple routine that you do every week. Light maintenance and simple routine that you do every week. So during the week, keep your scalp clean and balanced. During the week, keep your scalp clean and balanced. Avoid excessive product buildup. Do light moisturizing if needed and resist the urge to scratch. Alright, so simple weekly structure. A simple routine could look like this. Let me give you what a simple routine could look like or should look like. Once a week, full wash and treatment. Once a week, full wash and treatment. Midweek, light scalp care if needed. Don't forget, consistency is more important than complexity. That I cannot overemphasize. Consistency is more important than complexity. So these are some of the results you start noticing if you carry out this routines, or if you carry out this guide that we explained initially. With a consistent routine, you should notice less itching, reduce flakes, and a healthier environment for hair growth. Reduce less itching, reduce flakes, and a healthier environment for hair growth. Healthy hair does not start at the ends, it starts at the scalp. Did you see that? Healthy hair does not start at the ends, it starts at the scalp. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. Thank you. Subscribe to the Natural Hair Gallery for more structured routines that actually work. Because when your scalp is healthy, your hair has no choice but to thrive. When your scalp is healthy, your hair has no choice but to thrive. I'll see you guys in the next one. But until then, you know I will do it. Bye for now. Yeah.